Dunn Tire is a retail and wholesale tire company. We have 30 locations throughout New York and northern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pennsylvania. Primarily we are a retail company, although we are growing very rapidly as a wholesale company. Tires are primarily our line of business. We do a little bit of service work, but primarily we sell tires. One of the things at Dunn Tire that we try to do is to provide world-class customer service. I want my staff and myself to put that same kind of service to our employees, and we feel putting the right product out there to get the payroll done and meet all of the expectations is an important part of that goal. I've worked with a lot of different payroll companies over the years. I've been doing this for 20 years. I've worked with canned programs, I've worked with in-house type programs. Getting the payroll out week to week is important, but there's a lot of peripheral things that go on with payroll, things such as garnishments, vacation accruals, just tracking of information, and we were looking for some better solutions on how to do some of those peripheral activities other than just putting paychecks out. Working with our local rep who had been in discussing with us what ADP could do for us, we looked at all the different options, and certainly the garnishments was a big improvement. Having the group or having the software that actually put the deductions with the payee, electronically process the payments, that was a big help. Vacation accruals was an improvement. This system does all of that processing automatically. We actually implemented it into the paychecks and onto the pay stubs so that people knew where they were at all times. The tax credit program, I guess I should say, probably has been the most beneficial to us. We've actually brought on in excess of 30 people through that program. I think one of the key parts of that program had to do with ADP being the initial contact, asking the personal questions. It kept an independence from the employer, and I think it made it an easier process for the employees to comply with. My overall experience would be that we're a satisfied customer, from implementation right through to the tax reconciliation process. Well, without a doubt, ADP can handle, I think, anybody's payroll. And the last piece I would say is that ADP can be competitively priced. In going out to the market and pricing these products has told me that they are just as competitive as the next guy.